I get asked all the time why I don't sell cash secured puts. I'm going to give you another example. We're looking at HIMS stock right now. It is Monday, July 28th, and it's 8:30 in the morning. So markets haven't even opened yet, so these premiums could be adjusted later on in the day. Let's take a look. So here we have HIMS stock, and it's had a monster run up over the last couple of days, and then it consolidates. Well, right now it's looking like it's closed at 57.65 on Friday, but pre-market, it's around $58. So it's still hovering up here. But I believe that this stock is going to now pull back just from good old-fashioned profit taking plus all this ongoing news that's kind of negative. I think we'll drag the stock down. Where do I think it could go? Well, I'm using something called Fibonacci retracements to give me a rough estimate of where the stock could correct or pull back. And I'm eyeing this $54 level. So this is the options chain now for HIMS. This is the call side, but everyone always says, well, why don't you sell cash secured puts? This is the put side. Now I think this stock is going to $54. You can see that the premium is $1.15. So if I wanted to buy 100 shares, first of all, I would need to have $5,400 in cash in my account ready to buy it, and I would earn $115 in premium. Now, here's the thing. If HIMS closes on August 1st at $54 or under, I am obligated to buy it. So if it closes at 54.01 I'm not obligated to buy it. If it closes at 54 or 53.99, or if it even closes at $46, I'm required to buy it at 54. But here's another downside. I can't exercise my cash secured put early. So let's say it's Monday. Let's say on Wednesday, HIMS is $52. I'd love to buy the shares right now at 52, but I can't. I'm obligated to wait until close on Friday on the expiration date. Now what happens if the stock drops to 52 on Wednesday and then closes at 57 on Friday? I've missed my chance to get the stock at 52. I cannot exercise my cash secured puts early. I have to wait until the Friday closing price. I might miss the opportunity to get it at 52 and then watch it rebound right back up to 57 and sit there and go, damn, I missed out on the chance to get it at 52, all to make a measly $115. So I would rather forego $115 and sit with the $5,400 in cash in my account thinking, did you hear my voice just crack? Thinking if it gets to 54, then I'll pounce and I'll grab it at any point on in the week or at any price I'm comfortable. If I think it levels off at 55, I can buy it at 55. I have that freedom, which I don't have with a cash secured put.